In this video, I'll show you how to add captions in Descript. First, open Descript and sign into your account. Open the project that contains your video. If you haven't already, import your video and wait for Descript to finish generating the transcript. The transcript is what Descript uses to create captions automatically. Once the transcript is ready, switch to the scene view if you're not already there. Then click the Captions panel. Descript will display your captions on the video using the transcript that was generated. Next, choose a caption style that matches your video. You can customize the font, size, color, background, and position of the captions. As you make changes, the captions will update throughout your entire project. Now, review the transcript carefully. If you notice any spelling mistakes or incorrect words, edit them directly in the transcript. Any changes you make will automatically update the captions. After that, play your video from beginning to end to make sure the captions are timed correctly and easy to read. If needed, make any final adjustments to the text or style. Finally, click Export, choose Video, select your preferred resolution, and export your finished video with the captions included. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add captions in Descript. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.